Hello, I'm Karen. I am the customer success lead at Makula, and today I want to go over the feature boards. Boards is a way of viewing your information in a Kanban style overview. Kanban means a project management methodology that uses cards for tasks and lists, and you're able to visualize all of your information in a project management style. You're able to drag and drop your tasks over to a new stage of this process. You're able to have an overview of some very important information that helps you understand what this task is and access this task directly. So in this case, I'm talking about tasks, and this is applied to work orders, but we also have the ability to create a process for machines. For example, here I have a production status, have received an order, so I'm these machines to make. These ones in design, production, FAT, and ready for installation. For example, this one, the Case Packer Pro, the FAT is done, it's ready for installation, so now I can move it over to ready for installation. This allows Makula to be customizable to all of your workflows, but it also expands Makula to the internal working of your business. So now you will have everything around your machines in one place. You could have all of your incoming tickets, all of the work orders that your customers are bringing in or ones that you create, but also be able to put those in a process and be able to visualize all of the information in one go. So let me just show you another example. Here we have all of the warranty machines. This is a great way of visualizing data in a different way. Now you can get an overview of a status or a certain piece of data that is relevant to your business within a board view. If you would like to get started with boards, go to your main settings and make sure that your custom fields are set up. You will need a single select custom field. So let me show you what that is. You have here text, date, number, and single select. Choose a single select, add a descriptive name of what that custom field will be, add values, and then you will be able to start using it. Go to your machine, work order, or facility, whichever you've created this custom field for, and then start filling in this data in the custom field. So for example, this Meat Packer Pro is in the list of warranty because this custom field has been filled in. So go to all of your machines and then make sure that you have this custom field, warranty yes or no, filled in for all of the machines that's relevant for. And now you will have a comprehensive overview of that warranty. So I hope that you will enjoy using boards, and do let us know if you have any questions.